What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Facebook account. So here I have Facebook opened on my phone, on my iPhone. And what I want to do is to go to the menu, that's the personal photo at the bottom right corner, choose it. And then choose settings, that's at the top right here next to the search icon, that's the next to the magnifying glass. If I go to settings here, the very first option is the Meta Account Center. If I choose it, so here you want to select the personal details here. That's the second option in the account settings. Tap on it. And then the final option is the account ownership and control. You want to choose it. And then here the second option is deactivation or delete it. If you tap on it and then choose the account you want to delete or deactivate, I'll choose the Facebook one. Then it'll give you the option if you want to deactivate it temporarily or delete it permanently. So let's choose delete, hit continue. And it'll tell you that you are deleting your pages along with your profile. So let's hit continue. It'll tell you to choose the reason. So I'll choose anything and then hit continue. It'll tell you, like, give you the option to like block someone if that's your problem or do some stuff like that. So let's choose continue here. And then it'll ask you to consider before deleting. So if you want to deactivate it first or download your info, your pages, your anything, or review your linked apps. So let's go to the very bottom and hit continue. Finally, it'll ask you to enter your password to confirm your identity. And once you enter your password and hit continue, your Facebook account will be deleted.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.